A very warm welcome to one and all. I am Mrs. Khushbu Pathak, Assistant Professor, SSM Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Today, I am going to discuss the basics of marketing research. This subject is a part of BBA 5th semester. So, what are the key highlights of my presentation? Are introduction, definition, process, market research versus marketing research, concluding remark. So let us start. Introduction. A company faces many marketing problems. It faces problems about consumers, product, market, competition, sales promotion, etc. Marketing research helps to solve these problems. Marketing research is a systematic process. It first collects data about the marketing problems. Secondly, it records this data. Then it analyzes this data and draws conclusions about it. After that, it gives suggestions, advice for solving the marketing problem. So, marketing research helps to solve the marketing problems quickly, correctly and systematically. Basically, what marketing research is? In marketing research, company faces various types of problems. So, marketing research helps to solving these problems, and at the same time, marketing research is a systematic method to collect data, collecting the datas and recording these datas, analyzing these datas and information and drawing a particular conclusion about it so that the problems related to the marketing can be solved by marketing research. So it is providing a very quickly, correctly and systematically the solving the marketing related problems. So how marketing research is done in the organization? Marketing research and when you should conduct it. So there are four concepts are there: time constraint, data availability, decision nature, benefit versus cost. So by first, so these are the four parameters we can say. If these four parameters are available, so we can conduct marketing research. But if these parameters are not available, so we cannot conduct marketing research. So enough time. If we are not having enough time, available data are insufficient, is the decision significant or insignificant, value is more than cost. If these parameters are not available, marketing research should not be conducted. Marketing research is not possible to be conducted. But if time constraint is there, if you are having enough time to conduct the marketing research, if you are having the available data and information which is sufficient for your work, for the company, for the organization, so data sufficiency is required. Is the decision significant? On the basis of data availability and sufficiency, we can take the decisions. So is your decision is significant? If decision is significant, it is possible to conduct marketing research. And if value is more than cost, so benefit versus cost means what benefit which we are thinking that what benefit which we can get, and by having how much cost we have incurred for conducting the marketing research. If these four constraints and parameters are available, we can conduct marketing research. There are three key roles of marketing research. So let us discuss one by one. Descriptive, diagnostic, predictive. In descriptive role, current issues focus on providing historical and current data about the consumer, industry and environment, impact and relevance of data. In descriptive role, marketing research, we are collecting the current data and information, the information related to the current issues, the current data about the consumer, industry and the environment, the actual market condition, actual business environment. So these are the data and information we are collecting, the current data and information collecting in a descriptive role. Then we are checking the impact of these data, checking the impact and relevance of these data and information for the organization. Then diagnostic role. Diagnosis the effect of an event in a given situation, cause and effect, introducing a new strategy, or the how to increase in price may affect sales. In descriptive, we are trying to diagnose the effect of these events in a given situations. So there are different situations which is conducted or actually available in the business environment or the actual market situation or the business environment. So we are trying to check the cause and effect relationship, and we are trying to introduce the new product, new strategies, and how much price we can decide, and the actual price which we have decided. So what will be the effect of these price in sales? So if we will decide a high price, the sales will decrease. If we can decide our product about our product in a low price, the sales will definitely going to increase. So in diagnostic manner, we are framing a cause and effect relationship between the various factors, various event which is governed in the business environment, and checking the increase or decrease of price in sales. Then predictive role. In predictive role, predict or forecast the outcomes of new strategies being developed. Focus is on moving forward and identifying new opportunities. So in predictive role, we are forecasting. So what we are forecasting? The actual results of what strategies and policies we have implemented for our product, for our organization in the market. So we are forecasting these forecasting about our new strategies and policies, and at the same time we can identify the new opportunities available in the market by predictive role. Then let us discuss some of the definitions of marketing research. According to American Marketing Association, marketing research is systematic gathering, recording and analyzing of data about problems relating to marketing of goods and services. Then according to Philip Kotler, marketing research is a systematic problem analysis, model building and fact finding for the purpose of improved decision making and control in the marketing of goods and services. Then according to Paul Green, marketing research is a systematic and objective search for and analysis of information relevant to the identification and solution of any problem in the field of marketing. So the different authors have given the different definition about marketing research. So let us discuss the process of marketing research. There are 5 stages. First, identify the problem. Here we are identifying the problem, we are problem to solve. So we are identifying problem and we are providing the solution of problem. We are setting the objectives of our project or the marketing. We are identifying what are the different research questions can arise in first stage of marketing research. Then next, develop the research plan. In research plan, we can check the information needed, what information is needed or required, research and analysis methods. So we are using different tools and techniques related to research. Responsible parties. So responsible parties which we are seeing. So in research plan, we are deciding the research design, the tools and techniques and sampling method, and the tools and techniques which is decided in the research plan. Next, conduct research. So primary data collection is needed, secondary data collection is needed. So we are reviewing, first we are collecting primary and secondary data, and at the same time we are reviewing the secondary data collection. Then finding the suitable method and technique. So suitable method and technique, we can identify which test or which technique which we are going to use for our research, conducting our research. Analyze and report findings. Data formatting, whatever the data and informations we have collected so far. So data formatting is required, data analysis is required, then interpretation of result is required on the basis of data and information analysis. At the end, reports and recommendations. So final report will be made and the suggestions will is going to provided. At the end, take action. Thought and planning, what we have thought and what we have planned. So what are the things which we have implemented so far? Evaluation of options, what options or alternative which we are having and which we have implemented. Course adjustment and execution. So we are having different alternatives. So we have to decide a suitable course of action, a suitable alternative, so that we can execute or implement that particular course of action. So again, the marketing research process is in this way also possible. Formulate problem. Here we are specifying our research objectives. Then research design, there are three types of research design: exploratory, descriptive and causal. So we are deciding about the research design. Then third, data collection method. There are various data collection methods: primary data collection, secondary data collection, questionnaire design is possible, attitude measurement. So in our research or making our research report, so which type of data collection is required, so we need to identify in this stage of marketing research. Then sample design, sampling design is done. So what sampling frame we are going to decide, what sample selection is needed, what should be the sample size, which sampling method which we are going to use. So sampling decision and sampling design is required. Then after that, data analysis and interpretation is needed. So what data and information which is available by sampling, so we are trying to analyze and get the result about these data and information. At the end, research report. On the basis of these data and information, the findings, we are making the actual research report. Then market research versus marketing research. Most of the time people are confused about, maybe these two terms are same, maybe these two terms are different. But these two terms are basically related to each other, but slightly different. The basic difference is that market research is concerned with investigating market, consumers or distribution, while marketing research is concerned with investigating any issues relating to marketing. It can be consumer behavior, advertising effectiveness, sales force effectiveness, as well as market research. So in next slide also we can understand market research is concerned with investigating the market. So it is investigating only markets, but in marketing research is concerned with investigating any issues related to marketing. So all the issues related to, governed by the marketing aspect. So we are collecting these issues, we are collecting informations regarding these issues of the marketing. So encompassing everything contained in a market research. So in this diagram also we can understand what is market research. Example, in market research what we are doing, the research related to market trends, market size, target market, technical research, market segmentation. Means research is done on the basis of only market. But in marketing research there are numerous dimensions like advertising effectiveness, copy testing, brand attitude, concept testing and customer satisfaction. So there are various factors which we are collecting the information related to the marketing. But there is a overlapping between these two terms. So some of the things which is common in these two terms are examples: competition, pricing, product attributes and demand estimation. So these are the similar things which we are conducting in market research also, in marketing research also. So we can understand the market research process, how it works. First, define the problem and research objective. We are identifying and defining the problem and setting the research related objectives. According to that, develop the research plan. We are developing a suitable research plan, deciding a suitable research design. Then collecting the information. Then what informations and data we have collected so far, we are analyzing those data and information. Then at the end, presenting the finding. On the basis of those data and information, we are present the findings. So this is the process of marketing research. In another way, we can see also identification and definition of research problem, then conducting situational analysis and informal investigation, then planning and conducting formal investigation. Here we are doing two things, informal investigation also, then we are doing formal investigation, then analyzing and interpreting data, then at the end summarizing the finding and preparing the research report. At the end, marketing research covers every aspect of the marketplace and study every problem and provides solution, but market research is a part of marketing research and study only about market and has a narrow scope. Means marketing research is having a broader concept, but market research is one of the part of marketing research. We can say also in marketing research we are trying to identify general problems also, and as well as specific problems which is available in the market. This can be related with the product related aspect, brand related, goodwill related, sales promotion, advertising. These are the various dimensions. So we can collect the information about the each and every aspect of marketing related activities in marketing research. But in market research we are doing the research, we are collecting the data and information only related to the market. So market related data and information is covered in market research. So most of the time people are confused about these two terms. So now by this presentation they will be very much clear about these two terms. Market research is a part of marketing research, and marketing research is having a very broad concept. It covers each and every aspect of the whole market or the actual business scenario of the market or the external environment. Thank you.